The entire AI industry has been hyper-focused on one metric, raw model intelligence. But as models scale, they are slamming into a practical ceiling. When the GPQA benchmark of graduate-level science questions was released, models scored 30%. Today, they near 100%. This extends to applied tasks. On the SWE bench for real-world coding, models started solving 20%. Now, they clear 80%. Raw logic and reasoning are maxing out. For most enterprise use cases, raw intelligence is practically a solved problem. The real challenge has moved away from how smart the model is and toward the environment where that model actually operates. An isolated language model is effectively useless for complex tasks. Its actual utility is strictly bound by the external tools, the live codebase, and the specific context we give it access to. This introduces a structural problem for developers: how to securely and efficiently pipe external data into the model's finite context window. To solve the connectivity layer, the industry introduced the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, as a universal infrastructure standard. But connectivity alone isn't enough. We also need agent skills, a complementary architectural standard built specifically to solve the behavioral orchestration layer. Scaling AI applications today requires mastering this context orchestration, rather than simply waiting for a larger model to be released. Think of the Model Context Protocol as a universal plug for AI applications. It acts as an open infrastructure layer that connects models to the outside world. Before the standard existed, we faced massive fragmentation. Every AI application had to manually build bespoke integrations for every individual SaaS tool, and vice versa. MCP collapses that end-to-end integration problem into a single protocol, allowing any application to talk to any tool instantly. It does this using a foundational client-server model. On one side, the MCP client lives directly inside the AI interface. On the other side, the MCP server hosts your external tools and databases. To start, the client initializes a handshake, requesting a list of capabilities. The server then transmits the full list of tools and formatting schemas straight back into the client. Actually building this connection requires some technical overhead. Developers have to write boilerplate server code and deploy specific API endpoints to make the server operational. MCP cleanly solves the connectivity routing problem. However, this architectural design forces a massive upfront data payload transfer on every initialization. That massive upfront payload creates a serious side effect known as context rot. By injecting dense JSON schemas for every tool, the protocol instantly consumes precious space inside the language model's finite context window. A single MCP server might contain dozens of capabilities you didn't even ask for. Even if you only ask the model to read a single local file, it's burdened with the operating instructions for all the other irrelevant tools. This drives up the financial cost immediately. High token counts exponentially rack up inference API costs with every request you send. And it carries a heavy performance cost. Flooding the model with irrelevant noise degrades its core reasoning ability and directly increases hallucination rates. Providing raw tool access without an intelligent filtration system inherently degrades the underlying intelligence of the model. Developers need a dedicated orchestration layer to strictly govern exactly when tools and context are exposed to the AI. This is exactly what agent skills are built to do. They act as an orchestration framework designed specifically to cure context rot. The physical anatomy of a skill is simple. It is a standardized directory containing plain text markdown files and local executable code. Unlike MCP, developing a skill requires no complex server code. You just need plain English instructions and a local code interpreter. The core behavioral mechanic that makes skills efficient is progressive disclosure. At startup, level 1 initialization, the agent only loads the skill's metadata into memory. This costs roughly 100 tokens, avoiding massive upfront payloads. The agent evaluates this metadata against your prompt. If the skill is relevant, we move to level 2, activation. The language model deliberately requests the main body of the markdown file. This body safely injects up to 5,000 tokens of task-relevant instructions. Once activated, we reach level 3, execution, selectively pulling templates or documentation from referenced asset folders as needed. This level also allows the agent to trigger localized Python or JavaScript files directly from the skill directory. And while they started in specific applications, agent skills are rapidly transitioning into widely adopted open standards. By utilizing progressive disclosure, we guarantee the model operates at maximum reasoning capacity, consuming exactly what it needs, precisely when it needs it. Let's look at a practical, real-world application that requires combining both of these frameworks. Our objective is to architect an AI agent that can autonomously research, structure, and generate a complex MVP spec sheet directly inside a Notion database. First, we apply the model context protocol to the architecture. We deploy a Notion MCP server to provide the raw API connectivity, allowing the AI to read and write pages. But while that MCP server gives the model over 15 different Notion tools, it provides zero strategic logic on how to actually sequence those tools to build an MVP spec. This is where agent skills enter the architecture. We write a specialized skill file containing an explicit workflow checklist for the agent to follow. Inside that skill, we force the agent to first research market pain points, generate a customer avatar, and analyze competitors, all before it is allowed to execute a single Notion tool call. MCP acts as the infrastructure pipe. It provides the tools, the what. Agent skills provide the behavioral orchestration, the how. Today, production-grade AI systems can no longer rely on raw model intelligence alone. They require highly orchestrated architectures, combining both MCP and skills to maximize execution and eliminate token waste.